What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we're bringing you another awesome build from us here. Now this one, you guys will have hopefully just watched the video where we put this car together. So this is a Roush RS 2013-2014 V6 3.7 liter Mustang. And like I said, we just did the install video on this car, so now got it on the dyno and I'm gonna give it a tune. We're gonna push this car to about 450 horsepower on 93 octane. Maybe we'll see if we can squeak it to 500, and then we're gonna swap it over to E85 and push it up to 500, 550, give it a nice safe daily tune in the low 500s, and send it home. It is a manual transmission car, super clean, looks fantastic. I'll show you guys it here quick. Super clean. He's got this sick Android dash system. Got our gauge in, looks awesome. Awesome HREs on it. And then of course, our turbo kit. And we just installed that guy. That is our billet oil cap. Looks awesome, right? So I'm gonna pick this stuff up and then we're gonna go on. We are running a 3-inch downpipe to 3-inch exhaust that Y's into the, not stock, they're not stock, to the Borla Attack catback. You can see it Y's down there, and we have our big 3-inch going on to it. So I'm gonna pull this stuff off, load the tune, and then we're gonna make another part throttle hit, and then we might make a wide open throttle hit. Got our idle down, it's running good. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so I've done a couple of hits on the car. Obviously we've made some watt pulls. This latest one is pretty good. This is looking awesome. Making about 7 PSI of boost. That's wastegate only, no boost controller. And I'm gonna have to block the sun here. You guys can see there, 480, 460. Pretty good looking graph. Not smooth or anything, that's smoothing 1. Yeah, it's looking good. Just did a little more cleanup on it. You probably can't see me there. Did a little more cleanup on it. And we're gonna do one more, maybe 2 more pulls on 93, and then we're going to go drive it. Yeah, Tommy's ready for that one. It's our first manual car. So we're gonna go drive it and empty it out of 93, and then we're gonna fill it up with the E85 that the customer brought us, and then we will retune it for E85 and we will up the boost a little bit, and we should easily break that 500 horsepower mark. Probably end up somewhere in the 5 to 550 range and around 500 foot-pounds of torque. That is plenty for a street car, guys. I know you guys, oh, we need 1,000 horsepower. You don't need 1,000 horsepower. 500 is more than enough. 480 is enough on the street. It's still gonna be hard to drive this car with 373s. It's gonna be fun as all get out, but it's still gonna be kind of hard because it's gonna be very quick. So we're gonna have some fun with it. We will send you guys. We're gonna film everything, obviously, and you know, do all of our runs, you know, down in Mexico and Cuba and whatnot. So I'm gonna get in, do another run. Check us out.
Several days later.
Alrighty guys, so this is the situation. We got the Roush RS's Lee's car on the dyno again. We put a mix of E85 in it, so let's just go ahead and call it E54. We just did a run in, we'll call it 3rd gear, and it's got low timing and 7 PSI. We made 509.4 horsepower, 462 foot-pounds of torque. On standard, of course. Piece of cake. So I think we should turn it up to 10, 11 PSI, keep the timing nice and low, nice and safe. We'll keep it in 3rd gear and E54 in the tank and see what we run. It's probably gonna be 600 plus, to be perfectly honest. Our kit makes an absurd amount of power per PSI. Absolutely absurd. This was literally a base map for me on E85. This was the first hit I did. The first hit was 509 horsepower. The first hit out the gate with the new design downpipe. Out the gate. Everything's tucked on this car. And yeah, this car is bagged now, guys. That's something we did. It's bagged, so you can see we got 4x4 status going on right now, so we can have it on the dyno. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're gonna turn up the boost. I'm gonna install the boost controller real quick. Give Leah's car back Monday. Should be sitting somewhere in the range of 550, 600 horsepower. It's just his weekend car. Drives nice, it's fun. It's got 373 gears, so it's pretty dumb, I'm gonna be honest. It's pretty dumb fast. So, sounds interesting. I think he's gonna go and change the exhaust on it, but I'm gonna install this boost controller, and let's crank her up 10, 11 PSI, see if we can make 650. All right, guys, we just upped the boost a little bit, so let's do a run. Alrighty, guys, so we did a couple more different runs, and basically we turned it up. We did that 11 PSI run. We made 596 horsepower and 574 foot-pounds of torque on that run. Then we turned it back down. So we're gonna give it back at somewhere between 500 and 550 horsepower. That was the last run we did, was 500, but you can see that 596 and 574, and yeah, she was freaking going. But just proves the kit's great. These motors are great. It's awesome. So, like I said, we're gonna load that last tune back down on it so that he gets a nice, good 550 horsepower. And yeah, he can go enjoy it. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like these Mafia Turbo Kits. We're building a ton of them. We will see you next time.